Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to continue with our topic of growth in O-level biology. The facilitator in this session, I am Dr. Mlelwa, and today we are going to discuss about the growth curve. So this is the session 3. If you missed the first sessions, I beg you to visit my channel, and then you can see the playlist for this topic, and you can view all the videos. The notes for this topic, they are present in my Play Store application named as Dr. Mlelwa Lecturers. Dr. Mlelwa Biology. You may just go there and you can download the application Dr. Mlelwa Biology, and you can access the notes for free. Now today we are going to discuss about the growth curve, the patterns of growth, and more especially here, this is the growth curve, which is occur in many animals or many organisms, especially animals. So growth can be measured using a curve. A growth curve is the graph obtained when data collected during stages of growth is plotted against time. A growth curve shows growth pattern of organisms. In most organisms, growth pattern is almost the same, where by the first shows slow, then speeds up, and finally slow down. Kwa hiyo this pattern gives an S-shaped curve known as sigmoid curve. Kwa ukiambia uchole growth curve au ukiulizwa kuhusu the shape of growth curve, it is sigmoid curve. S-shaped or sigmoid curve. Hiyo tunasema S-shaped ndio unaona hii imeanzia huku imeshuka imekuwa hivi. So it's like S. It's like S. It's like S. Naita sigmoid au S-shaped. Now it is very important to understand this nature of the graph. Why it is called as S-shaped, or why it is called as the sigmoid. And it's very important to know the explanation of these stages. What happens in the log phase? What happens in the what happens in the lag? This is the lag. It's not log. It's a lag. Then it's log or exponential. It is diminishing. Then it is stationary. What happens? And there are some modification in some of animals. But for your level, it's not important to understand those modifications, but it is important to understand this basic graph for the growth of many animals. Now what we are saying ni kwamba hii graph ina four major parts. Tuna lag, hii sio log, ni lag, itakiwe kama hivi LOG. It's a lag phase. Then we have log or exponential phase. Then you have diminishing, growing phase, and then you have the stationary phase. Now kwenye log phase, kwenye lag phase tunakuwa na nini? Kwenye lag phase ni muda ambao growth huwa inakuwa ni slow. Inakuwa ni slow kwa sababu seli nyingi bado hazijaanza kukua. Kwa unakuta sio kwamba mtu akui anakuwa lakini growth yake ni ndogo. It is very slow kwenye lag phase. Kwenye log au tunaita exponential phase, hapa growth yake inakuwa very fast, and more especially hapa log phase huwa inakuwa during puberty, during adolescence. Hapa kwa human being during adolescence ndio wakati ambao tunakuwa tuna high amount of the growth hormone which stimulate the growth. Kwa inakuwa ni very fast. From there tunakuwa tuna diminishing phase. Diminishing phase ni ile phase ambayo mtu anakuwa anapungua pole pole, ile speed ya kukua inaanza kupungua. And then tuna stationary phase ambayo mtu anakuwa hakui, yani growth tunaipima by the rate of cell death and cell forming, the number of new cells which are formed and number ya cell ambazo zitakuwa zimekufa. Kwa kama mtu atakuwa there is no excess new cell, because ili growth itokee lazima number of new cells exceed number of dead cell. But if there is no growth formation of new cells, that means it is a lag phase. And in some organism inatokea even the decline phase. Decline phase ambayo kwenye decline phase sasa ndio mtu anakuwa anadai cell nyingi kuliko ambavyo zinatengenezwa, na hiyo phase huwa inatokea kwenye growth of most of all organisms. Kwa ninachokisema ni kwamba lazima ujue kuexplain. First ni lag phase. Lag phase is the period when the rate of growth is very slow. During the stage, the number of cells dividing through mitosis are few. So the growth is slow because number of cells dividing by mitosis, they are few. Log phase or exponential phase, this phase involves very rapid growth, whereby the number of cells dividing is higher than the dead cell. Kwa kwenye log phase, number of cells dividing ni higher kuliko dead cell. Then tuna linear growth au declaration phase. This phase involves the decline in rate of growth as maturity is approached. The rate of cell division decreases. Kwa unaweza kukuta mtu labda na miaka 40 na miaka 50 ndio inatokea hiyo growth, linear growth. And then later we will have the stationary phase or the plateau phase. So the stationary phase or plateau phase, this phase masks the period of no further change in the size of the organism. The organism has attained maturity. Organism tayari ameshaattain maturity. New cells are formed only to replace those worn out or dead. Na maana nimekwambia ni some of the organism growth hapo pia huwa inaanza ku decline. So tunakuwa tuna the decline phase ambayo number of cell ambazo zinakufa zinakuwa zimezidi number of cell ambazo zinakuwa formed. So actually hiyo ndio explanation ya kuhusu growth curve inakuwa imeishia hapo. Na kwenye kipindi kinachofuata tunaenda kudiscuss kuhusu measurement of growth, different patterns ambazo tunazitumia katika kupima growth. Kama kuna wengine wanapima urefu au wengine wanapima mass, wengine wanapima dry mass, kuna fresh mass au fresh weight na dry mass, advantage and disadvantage kila moja naenda kuidiscuss kwenye session ambayo inafuata. Nikukumbushe tu kwamba hizi notes zinapatikana bure kwenye application ya Play Store na unaweza kaenda kwa download bure kabisa kule Play Store. Lakini pia kwenye hii channel tunafundisha masomo ya mathematics, tunafundisha chemistry, tunafundisha physics na pia biology kwa O level na advance. Kwa kama una ndugu yako, anyway you can share the videos either of O level or of A level. You can go into playlist and you can find the video ambazo tumeshafundisha. In O level we have already teach there are many topics, in form 3, in form 2, in form 1, and also even in A level we have already teach there are many topics. So I hope you will enjoy the session. Don't forget to share it to your fellow students and subscribe my channel for more updates in these subjects. Thank you everybody. Let me wish you nice studies.